We sell an expensive product that not many people need.
So you talk a lot about your people and that you're a people-centric company. What kind of people are you usually are getting hired into pipeline? What kind of backgrounds educationally or experience-wise do you have with your engineers on your team?
We're mostly mechanical engineers. We do
Yeah.
have programmers and some technicians as well, but most of us are mechanical engineers. What I've found is that the engineers who really enjoy pipeline the most are the ones that love variety
Mhm.
and solving hard problems. And the engineers that maybe you classify them as sustaining engineers, right? They're not creating something brand new, but they're technically oriented and they're
Mhm.
sustaining a product that already exists. Those engineers don't do well at pipeline. I
Mhm.
think that the business we're in, it's kind of a tough business model. We sell an expensive product that not many people need, and finding the right customers, they're kind of few and far in between. So when we do find the right customer, it's a challenge to be efficient with our time and get everything done within budget. And it requires really gifted engineers to do that.
Mhm.
And I've worked with a lot of engineers over the years, and not all engineers are created equally. Um, I feel like we have a really very strong engineering team. And again, I've worked with a lot of engineers, so I have a pretty good sense for the spectrum of engineers out there. And the ones who do well here, the ones who last here, are the ones who are very good at new product development, at R&D, at figuring out hard problems,
Mhm.
and they like variety. You know, a project for us might last, it varies, but maybe 3 to 6 months is pretty common. So you get a lot of opportunities to work on a lot of different things here, which is
Yeah.
something that the team enjoys a lot.
Thank you so much for watching this segment of the Engineering Success Podcast. If you liked it, make sure to check out the other videos down below that are recommended to you. And if you really like the podcast, make sure to subscribe right down there in the middle. Really appreciate it. It's free to you and helps us a lot out. And last but not least, the best way to help the show grow is to comment down below. So leave your comment if you have any thoughts about this segment. Thanks.
I ain't chasing payments, still playing in the basement while I'm working on arrangements. They heard the kid in 50 countries, thank God that's amazing. But I'd rather thank Spotify, they put me on the station.